Hey guys, we are back with another YouTube video, and we are starting at about 4:30 today. We do have a 5-trip incentive, and we are starting with probably the biggest shopping order we've done on this channel. A lot of items, but I mean, for that pay, you just have to take it. So I will be going inside right now, and then I'll just take you through the shopping part of it, and I will see you guys after they are both dropped off. So we did finish off that first order, and it took a little over an hour, but it was just too good to not do. I just made it back to the store, and we got a very short order because we got to get at least 3 more after this one to get our 5 done for the day. So this shouldn't take us longer than 20 minutes. I will see you guys after we get it picked up and then dropped off. All right, that is order number 2 complete. I just made it back to the store, and we did get another order. Hopefully it'll take 26 minutes. I want to try to be done within the next hour and a half. So we have to do this one plus 2 more, but I don't think that's going to be too hard for us to do. So once again, I will go inside, get the order, and I'll see you guys in just a little bit. So we did finish the 3rd order. I am about to pull into the store again, and I did find this really low order. It's going to be pretty close. I want to get this done within 15 minutes and then try to do 1 more for our incentive. And this order is going to only be 1 item, so it shouldn't take us too long at all. So once again, I'm going to grab it, and then I'll see you guys once we drop that off, and hopefully starting our last order. So they did come out to grab the order, but I just dropped that off, and we are looking at 1 more to finish, and then that'll be our 5 for the video and for the incentive. So I will see you guys once we get that last order. So I wanted to mention something important about the channel, but the road is a little bumpy, so I hope you guys are going to be able to understand. So yeah, just in case you guys caught any of that, that's how I'm feeling, but I'll see you once we get to the store. All right, we are at the store, and this should be the last order of the day. It is very nice because not only is it super close and only 2 items, it's actually heading back to the house. So this will be a great one to get the incentive done, and then once again, we'll go over all the numbers at the end. But I will see you guys once we get it all dropped off, and then finally go over everything. And that is going to be it for our final drop off and the end of this video. Once again, we are going to go over the numbers. So of course we're gonna start off with how long we've been driving for, the total plus the incentive, the miles, and the hourly. So it was a pretty good day. We were out for probably around 3 hours. So what we made in 3 hours was actually really, really nice. And I'm glad we started off with such a insane order that helped us not only start off strong, but then be a good start for our incentive and then finishing that off. So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything different, if I should change anything, or just how your sparking has been going recently. But once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.